in today's class, we'll be learning a lot of different lighting techniques, and what I'm going to have you do as your project for the end of class is choosing 3 of those different lighting techniques and making 3 different photos using those lighting techniques. My challenge to you is to try to take all of those in one day. To help you at each step of the way, what we're going to be going over today is equipment that you want to be packing to take with you, selecting a location, lens flare, backlight, front light, shadows, using props, shooting at different times of the day, and we'll also be going over a little bit of editing process after your photos are taken. So a couple tips for making this class experience the best you can. During the process, I want you to think about what time of the day you'll be shooting at, what props you'll be using, and how to make one location seem new throughout the process. So besides just lighting, this class is all about getting outside. That's the most important part of what we're really going to be enjoying in this classroom together. So make sure to grab a friend, get out there, and just really enjoy taking photos with these new techniques that you're going to be learning.